In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change font size and colors in GoDaddy, step by step. Whether you want to make your headings bigger, adjust paragraph text for readability, or update your brand colors, this guide will walk you through everything in just a few minutes. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password, then access your account dashboard. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for the section called My Products. Click on My Products to see all the services and websites connected to your account. Next, find your website in the list and click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder editor, where you can make changes to your site in real time. Now let's start by changing the font size. On your website preview, click on the text you want to edit. As soon as you click the text, a small editing toolbar will appear above or beside it. This toolbar gives you different formatting options. To change the font size, look for the font size option in the toolbar. It may appear as small and large A icons, like A with an up or down arrow, or it may show a number indicating the current size. Click on it. You can usually choose between small, medium, large, or extra large. In some cases, you may also see a slider that lets you fine-tune the size more precisely. Select the size that fits your design best. After adjusting the size, click outside the text box to apply the changes. Always preview how it looks on your page to make sure it's readable and visually balanced. When you're happy with the changes, don't forget to click Publish. This step is very important. If you don't publish, your updates won't be visible to visitors. Now let's move on to changing the text color. Just like before, click on any text you want to modify. The same text editing toolbar will appear. In the toolbar, find the text color option. This usually looks like a colored circle or a letter A with a color underline. Click on that icon to open the color settings. You'll now see several options. You can choose from your website's default theme colors, which are designed to match your overall branding. If you want more flexibility, use the color picker to select any custom color. You can drag the selector to choose the exact shade you want. If you already have a specific brand color, you can enter a hex code, such as #0000 for black, or any custom hex value that matches your brand guidelines. Once you select your desired color, click outside the text box to apply it. Again, make sure the text is easy to read against the background. Good contrast is important for both design and accessibility. Finally, click Publish to save your changes and update your live website. Always double-check your site after publishing to confirm everything looks the way you expected. And that's it. You now know how to change font size and text colors in GoDaddy quickly and easily. These small design adjustments can make a big difference in how professional and polished your website looks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy GoDaddy and website builder tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.